Starting a small business in 2025 can be your gateway to financial freedom. And the best part is, you don't need a huge budget to get started. With the rise of technology, automation, and changing consumer needs, there are more opportunities than ever to build a successful and profitable business. Whether you're looking to launch a side hustle or go all in, the key is to tap into high-demand industries that are set to grow. In this video, we'll explore 20 small business ideas that have the potential to make you rich in 2025. Stay tuned until the end, where I'll share a powerful bonus strategy to scale your business faster than your competitors. 1. AI-powered content writing services. Businesses need SEO-optimized blogs, social media captions, and ad copy to stay competitive. With AI tools like ChatGPT and Jasper, you can automate content creation and offer services to clients at scale. This business has low startup costs, requiring only a laptop and internet connection. You can start on freelance platforms like Upwork or Fiverr and gradually build a full-scale content agency. As AI-generated content grows in demand, writers who understand how to blend AI with human creativity will dominate the industry. 2. Personalized nutrition coaching. Health-conscious consumers are looking for customized meal plans and diet coaching to improve their lifestyles. By getting certified online and using ad-driven nutrition apps, you can offer tailored diet plans without expensive overhead costs. Social media platforms like Instagram and TikTok can help you attract clients and establish authority in the wellness space. Subscription-based meal planning services can generate consistent monthly income. With people investing more in their health, this business has long-term profit potential. 3. Dropshipping high-ticket products. Unlike traditional dropshipping, where margins are slim, high-ticket dropshipping focuses on selling expensive items like furniture, fitness equipment, or luxury accessories. With Shopify and AliExpress, you can launch a store without holding inventory and let suppliers handle shipping. By targeting premium buyers through Facebook and Google Ads, you can earn larger profits per sale. Research trending niches to find untapped markets with low competition and high demand. If done right, this model can scale into a six-figure business quickly. 4. Digital marketing for small businesses. Many small businesses struggle with online visibility and need experts to help them with SEO, social media, and ads. You can start by managing Instagram and Facebook pages for local businesses and charging a monthly retainer fee. AI-powered tools like Canva, Buffer, and ChatGPT make it easier to automate and streamline marketing tasks. Once you establish a reputation, expanding into a full-scale digital agency is the next step. As more businesses go digital, this service will remain in high demand. 5. Subscription box service. People love curated, themed subscription boxes for beauty, fitness, and self-care products. By partnering with suppliers, you can create unique, niche-based boxes and sell them through a monthly subscription model. This business works well with influencers who can promote your products through unboxing videos and reviews. Print-on-demand packaging and custom branding help you stand out in a crowded market. With a strong marketing strategy, this business can generate consistent, recurring revenue. 6. Virtual assistant business. Entrepreneurs and executives need help managing daily tasks like emails, scheduling, and bookkeeping. As a virtual assistant, you can work remotely with multiple clients and charge by the hour or on a monthly retainer. No formal education is needed, just strong organizational and communication skills. You can specialize in niche areas like real estate, e-commerce, or social media management to charge premium rates. With the rise of remote work, the demand for skilled VAs is growing rapidly. 7. Print-on-demand store. Instead of managing inventory, print-on-demand lets you sell custom designs on t-shirts, mugs, and accessories. Platforms like Printful and Teespring handle printing and shipping, while you focus on design and marketing. AI-powered design tools mean you don't even need artistic skills to create viral products. Social media ads and influencer collaborations help drive massive sales with minimal upfront costs. If you find the right niche, POD can be a low-risk, high-reward business. 8. AI chatbot development. Companies are investing in AI chatbots to improve customer service and automate support. You can offer custom chatbot solutions to e-commerce businesses, banks, and service providers using platforms like ManyChat or Chatfuel. No coding experience? No problem. Many tools allow drag-and-drop bot building. Businesses are willing to pay thousands for well-designed chatbots that reduce workload and improve customer satisfaction. With AI adoption rising, this is a highly profitable niche. 9. Smart home installation services. As more people invest in smart homes, they need professionals to install security cameras, smart locks, and automation systems. This business requires minimal investment, mainly tools and basic technical knowledge. You can offer services to homeowners, real estate developers, and Airbnb hosts. Partnering with local electronics stores can bring in consistent referrals and steady income. With home automation booming, this industry has long-term profit potential. 10. Local Airbnb property management. Many property owners want to list their homes on Airbnb but lack time for guest management. By offering cleaning, check-in, and listing optimization services, you can earn passive income without owning property. Start by managing 1 or 2 properties and scale up as you gain experience. Platforms like Guesty and Hostaway help streamline operations and automate bookings. As short-term rentals grow, this business model remains highly lucrative. 11. Social media consulting. Many businesses struggle with growing their social media presence and engaging their audience effectively. If you understand platform algorithms, content trends, and engagement strategies, you can offer consulting services to brands and influencers. By helping clients optimize their content and ad strategies, you can charge premium fees and scale into a full agency. 12. Online course creation. If you have expertise in marketing, fitness, finance, or any skill, you can turn it into an online course. Platforms like Udemy, Teachable, and Kajabi make it easy to create and sell courses worldwide. With people investing in self-education, this is a scalable business with passive income potential. 13. Home cleaning services. Busy professionals and Airbnb hosts need reliable cleaning services to maintain their homes and properties. You can start with minimal investment in cleaning supplies and later expand by hiring staff. Offering specialized services like deep cleaning or eco-friendly products can set you apart and boost profits. 14. Personalized gift business. Custom gifts like engraved jewelry, printed mugs, and unique handcrafted items are in high demand for birthdays, weddings, and holidays. Using print-on-demand services or laser engraving tools, you can create personalized products with minimal upfront costs. A strong online presence on Etsy or Shopify can help turn this into a full-time business. 15. Pet sitting and dog walking. Pet owners with busy schedules are always looking for trustworthy caregivers for their pets. You can start small by offering dog walking, pet sitting, or pet grooming services in your local area. As demand grows, you can expand into a full-service pet care business. 16. Freelance video editing. With the rise of YouTube, TikTok, and online courses, video editing is a highly profitable skill. By offering editing services on Fiverr or Upwork, you can work remotely and build a steady client base. Specializing in short-form videos, commercials, or YouTube content can help you stand out in this growing market. 17. Fitness coaching and virtual training. Health-conscious individuals prefer personalized fitness plans and virtual coaching over expensive gym memberships. If you're a certified trainer, you can offer virtual workouts, diet plans, and one-on-one coaching via Zoom or an app. Subscription-based fitness programs can turn this into a long-term, passive income stream. 18. Car rental business. By renting out your car through platforms like Turo, you can generate extra income without needing a fleet. As demand grows, investing in a few more vehicles and offering luxury or electric cars can increase profitability. This business is ideal for high tourism areas or cities with a strong ride-sharing culture. 19. 3D printing business. With a 3D printer, you can create and sell custom products, prototypes, and home decor. Many businesses and individuals need custom-printed items that aren't easily available in stores. From phone cases to prosthetic limbs, this industry is set to boom in the coming years. 20. Stock photography and videography. Websites, businesses, and content creators need high-quality images and videos for their projects. By selling stock photos and videos on platforms like Shutterstock or Adobe Stock, you can earn passive income from your work. If you focus on trending niches like AI, travel, or business themes, you can make serious money over time. Let me know in the comments, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more business and money-making ideas.